Welcome to today's survival guide, where we'll be talking about something that can be a real lifesaver in the wild: great mullein. This tall, fuzzy plant may not look like much, but in a survival situation, it's packed with uses that can make a huge difference. From water purification to medicinal benefits, great mullein is nature's multi-tool. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify and use this incredible plant to boost your chances in the wild. Great mullein is pretty easy to spot. Look for a tall stalk, often reaching up to 6 feet, with soft, velvety leaves that grow in a rosette shape near the base. In summer, you'll see clusters of small, yellow flowers at the top. These fuzzy leaves are one of its most distinctive features, so if you see a tall plant with leaves that feel like felt, you've probably found it. Let's dive into some key ways great mullein can help you in a survival situation. If you're in the wild and have access to murky water, mullein can help. The plant's dense fibers work well as a makeshift filter. Crush the leaves and use them to filter larger debris from water before boiling it. While it doesn't purify completely, it's a helpful first step. Mullein can also be a natural fire starter. The dried stalk of the mullein plant is highly flammable and can be used to start a fire. Rub 2 stalks together to create friction, or use the dried leaves as tinder. This can be especially useful if you're working with limited resources. Mullein is known for its medicinal qualities, particularly for respiratory health. If you're dealing with a cough or congestion, you can make a simple tea from mullein leaves to ease symptoms. Just dry the leaves, crush them, and steep in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. In a pinch, you can use mullein leaves as insulation for extra warmth. They're also soft enough to make decent bandages for minor wounds, helping protect injuries from further irritation or infection. While not particularly flavorful, the leaves and flowers are safe to eat in small amounts. The seeds, however, contain saponins, which can be toxic, so avoid those. To recap, great mullein can be used as a natural filter for water, a fire starter, and even a quick remedy for respiratory issues. Its soft leaves can help with insulation, bandaging wounds, and in a pinch, as an edible resource. This plant is an incredible survival ally, so knowing how to identify and use it could be a game changer. Next time you're out in the wild, see if you can spot some great mullein. Familiarize yourself with it, and practice these techniques so you'll be ready when you need them. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more survival skills. Remember, in survival, knowledge is your greatest tool. Thanks for watching.